everyone, it is me, I make a mod, and today we're gonna box this two Hot Wheels cars. First up, we're gonna box this Hot Wheels 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata with black, red, and white and gray with sparkle and G-Ready logo from SW Modify 55 with 114 out of 250. Custom cars with features like bigger spoilers, body kits, and other cool upgrades for personality style. There's a Mazda Motor Corporation trademark, G-Ready trademark, and Sparkle trademark. Okay, now we can box this car. The corner says R46, that's the code with gold wheels. Okay. Front, we have no detail. Driver side with 27, G-Ready and Sparkle logo. Rear with spoiler and passenger side. And the roof with no roof. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Okay, now we can box this Hot Wheels new for 2023 is 1973 Honda Civic Custom with green from SWJ Imports A10 with 117 out of 250. Born 1973 Japan, designer Honda with all customized Hot Civic. You can bring 1978 style to the 21st century as you roam the open road with flat wheels, arches, low suspension, and two rally spotlights. A dream collection of Japanese domestic market vehicles. There's a Honda official trademark. Okay, now we can box this car. The code says R49, that's the code. Okay, let's reveal this. Front, we have black grille on a black hood, driver side, rear with Hot Wheels license plate, passenger side. And that is a good look, and the roof. And that is a good looking car, and it's cool. Okay, and that's all for now. Okay, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.